Setting up a passive income stream with freelance marketplaces is one of the most effective ways to start earning money without a traditional 9-to-5 job. Whether you're new to freelancing or looking to scale up your existing side income, I'm going to walk you through the process in under 3 minutes. First, you need to pick the right freelance marketplace. There are many options, but the most popular ones like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are great places to start. Why? Because they have massive user bases, which means more job opportunities for you. But here's the thing. You can't just sign up and expect to make money right away. You need to position yourself to attract clients. The key to getting noticed is optimizing your profile. Start with a clear, professional picture and a compelling headline that highlights your skills. Keep your description concise, yet powerful. Focus on what sets you apart from other freelancers, whether it's your expertise, your speed, or your quality. You want to showcase your value immediately because clients typically browse several profiles before making a decision. Once your profile is up, it's time to start bidding or applying for jobs. But here's the secret. You don't want to just apply to any job. Look for projects that match your skill set and that you can realistically complete within the client's timeline. Tailor each proposal to the job. Generic responses won't get you far. Be specific about how you can help, provide examples of your work, and always offer value. If you're just starting out, you may need to offer your services at a slightly lower rate to build up some reviews, but this will help you get noticed and start building your reputation. Now, to truly create a passive income stream, you need to focus on long-term projects and recurring clients. When you deliver high-quality work, clients will often return for more. Plus, they may recommend you to others. Setting yourself up for repeat business is key to building passive income, because once you've established a relationship with clients, you can rely on them for ongoing work. Here's where it gets interesting. You can automate a lot of the work. Using our software, you can set up systems to manage client communication, invoices, and project timelines without constantly being on top of everything. This allows you to focus more on the creative side and less on administrative tasks. I've tested several tools, but this software is by far the most efficient for streamlining everything and setting up your passive income machine. You can grab an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below if you want to follow along and start automating your freelance business. It's a tool I highly recommend if you're serious about building a passive income stream. To recap, here's what you need to remember. 1. Choose the right freelance marketplace and optimize your profile. 2. Apply for jobs that match your skills and stand out with tailored proposals. 3. Focus on building long-term relationships with clients for recurring income. 4. Use software to automate client management and projects, saving you time. The key takeaway is that setting up a passive income stream with freelance marketplaces is all about consistency, quality, and building long-term relationships. If you want to follow along and get started today, take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software in the description below. This will help you automate and grow your freelance business faster than ever. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the link below for that free trial.